Hi, Scott Patric Beauty, and I'm here with my good friend TIIU, and we're going to do a beautiful summer makeup where we just take TIIU's natural beauty and we tan it and love it and peach it and just make something really beautiful and really natural for summer. Sound good?
I couldn't be more excited.
So TIIU, we have two ways of going about this. I could take your face and I could make you into like a painted lady, and I could white out your whole face and draw in new features and put a red lip on you. Or I can look at you and I can say, I know that it just needs a little bit of loving and a little bit of sunshine. So we're gonna go that route. And that way, when you go home to your baby, she's actually gonna recognize you.
I like that much better. I think too many painted ladies out there. We need to move past that. Let's move on, guys. Right?
So, here we go. We're gonna do a beautiful, toasty, warm makeup. And first, I'm gonna start with a gorgeous brow.
Celebrating summer. I'm going to lecture after this, and I'm really excited to look fabulous today. They're gonna be in shock.
She's going to school. What are you going to school for?
I'm studying neuroscience, and my lecture today is on infant development.
And TIIU just had a baby.
I did, so this is especially interesting to learn about. But usually I don't go fully glammed up, so.
So I love using a pencil. I'm using a MAC pencil, which has a handy dandy brush on the end. And I draw, and then I brush up, and then I keep drawing. Little hairs, so TIIU has a big fluffy brow like she had when she was 13 before she started modeling.
Before it got plucked off.
I didn't do the plucking.
He didn't. This is the truth. He would never do that.
So to define TIIU's eyes, I like that same camel color that I used as her brow. It's kind of a monochromatic thing that I'm doing where it's just going to be this warm, beautiful, toasty face. What would we call the color of your eye?
Well, green, hazily. I don't know. They kind of did change with weather. I don't know.
So I'm using a warm beige, and what that does is it's just going to pop them and bring them forward. Okay. And I'm using like a medium width brush, so it's just that beautiful swipe right underneath. And on the top of the eye, I just do that little V in the corner. And like a windshield wiper. And that V echoes the shape of the eye, but like I extend it just a little bit. Do you like what that does?
Yeah, I love it. It's so cool. I always learn so much from just feeling you guys.
So it's so natural, but there's this beautiful thing where the same tone of the brow and the same tone of that camel color just looks gorgeous. So I love it.
I love it too.
It's my favorite.
And there's that J-Lo shimmer again. I feel like she's my alter ego, my secret alter ego. Who's your secret alter ego, Scotty?
Vincent Price.
Good one.
So, as if that Christian Dior contour wasn't enough, Guerlain Terracotta. It's magic.
And I feel like Guerlain is that company you kind of associate with bronzers for some reason.
Me too. So the Christian Dior Nude, what that does is it's kind of a neutral, and that gives you the cheekbone, and then the terracotta has that little bit of sunshine right in the center, and then I play with that probably like right there and right there, just to give the whole thing dimension. Like basically, we wanted a threesome. I want the contour with the Christian Dior Nude, I want the terracotta to be the sunshine, and then I take the RMS Living Luminizer.
That is also the best luminizer ever, and there's nothing that looks more natural on like daytime, everyday skin than the RMS Living Luminizer.
The RMS Living Luminizer.
It should be in the commercial.
And then I go all the way up in there, show them a little profile, girl. There we go. I say, up where the thinking is. And that Living Luminizer draws in the energy and draws in the thinking.
I'll let you know how class goes with this.
Oh my God, my class went so much better than it would have without the Living Luminizer.
Yeah.
With this gorgeous natural face, I'm gonna use my newest favorite lipstick. It's by Dior Addict, and it's called Clair de Lune, and it's in Stellar Shine, and it's fabulous.
Ooh, I'm so excited. Let us see, let us see. Hi, it kind of mimics this eyeshadow that we use.
There's
in
a
way.
story going on here.
I see the story. I see what you're doing here.
I see what
I
you're
see.
doing.
Wow, that's so pretty.
Girl.
I love it. This is what I wish to wake up every morning like.
That's what I wake up every morning like.
You look like this every morning?
I do, and then I take my my Vincent Price mask and put it on my face.
Oh, you lucky.
Do me a favor, girl. Put a little bit of mascara on for me. It is the Real by Benefit, and it's heaven.
You know, I actually have never tried this. I'm excited.
It's great, great lash.
Because I wanted to. Everybody has a weird mascara face when they're putting it on, so I'm sorry
I
about
think you
that.
have a beautiful mascara face.
It's impossible to not do this big eye thing when you're doing it.
Okay. The makeup is really pretty.
It does. It really works. Good job.
Thanks.
And I love this mascara.
Right?
I've been on a lookout for a new one.
Strangers are gonna stop you down on the street to ask if they're real.
Are they real? I don't even know.
In a New York street, if a stranger runs you down, they're probably gonna steal your bag, not ask you about your mascara.
Yeah. Well, you never know. You try and meet all sorts over here. I've heard it all in New York.
And give me one last swipe of the Clair de Lune.
The more, the merrier with this one.
You look lovely.
Thank you so much. Thanks to you. Mwah.
Thanks for watching Scott Patrick Beauty. This is me and my friend too.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.